मेरा नाम तनुजा त्रिवेदी है। मैं कानपुर बिराना रोड की रहने वाली हूँ। मुझे एक लड़के से प्यार था। इस आदमी को मुझसे प्यार हो गया और इसने धोखे से मुझसे शादी की और लंदन ले आया। मैंने सोचा ये बड़ा डॉक्टर है।
So from the starting video, you could have made out that I'm taking Kangana Ranaut look, which is from Tanu Weds Manu Return, Ghani Bawari song. In this song, her skin is looking so vibrant and so bright with very good amount of blush. So let's see how I achieved this look. So let's jump into the video. First thing is to blur out my skin. For that, I'm using Swiss Beauty's primer all over my face where I have open pores, as you can see. Now since it's a thick primer, I am dabbing this into my skin. For my eyebrows, I'm using this Thin Lizzy pencil. Since her eyebrows are brown, I'll be using brown color from this pencil and I'm just filling in the spar area of my eyebrow. And then I will be blending this up with my angled brush. So we're done with eyebrows. Now moving on to foundation, that is from Maybelline Fit Me. So I'm putting dots all over my face. And now with the flat kabuki brush, I will be blending my foundation in a stippling motion. Now for my concealer, I'm taking this heavy coverage Juvia's Place concealer, which is so good and it's gonna brighten up my face like the glow she was having on her face. I'll be applying this where I want my face to be highlighted more. Once I apply this, I'll let it set for 5 to 10 seconds. Then I'll blend this up with a brush. Now to get more finishing, I'll be using this Sephora powder foundation where I have used this concealer especially at that part. And then I'll be swirling this brush all over my face to give it a finished look. Now for my eyes, I am taking this sugar blush because I want my eye makeup to look very subtle. I don't want it to be more prominent. So I'm using somewhat this orange shade only, a burnt orange shade on my eyelids since I had primed already with the concealer and the foundation. As I was going to finish my eye makeup, I felt it is little harsh. So I'll cut down this harshness by using a satin finish golden color, which is from this Wet n Wild Ombre blush. I'll be taking this flat brush and applying the shade over this eyeshadow which I have used previously. I'll be patting the color more till I get the desired shade which I wanted on my eyes. That shouldn't be so harsh. And I'm blending the edges as well, as you can see in this video. And now moving on to my eyeliner, I'll be using this Maybelline liquid eyeliner. This is so good. Her eyeliner was little thicker in the middle part, so I tried to do that only. I tried to recreate the similar look, but since eye shapes are different, it's gonna look different on me. Now this mascara I got from a local store. The brand name is Teen and Teen, I guess. You can see I love this product. When I used it first I didn't like, but later on when I saw the finish, it doesn't feel heavy on your eyes when you apply this mascara. Now after this mascara, it's time to put the same eyeshadow on my lower lash line. Since Kangana has very sharp nose, I'll be contouring my nose with this Benefit Hoola bronzer with a small brush. This contour style is little different because I am focusing more on my bridge to look more sharper. After contouring my nose, I'll be putting the same color under my lower lip, and the brush which comes with this bronzer, I'll be using that to give some dimension to my face. I'm not doing harsh contour today because her face was very much bright and pink, not contoured. Now moving on to blush, I'm using CC Cushion blush only at the place where she had. You can see here, now she had applied a red lipstick. To achieve that proper plumpy red lips, I'm lining it up with this maroon, sort of a brownish maroon liner. In Kangana Ranaut's makeup, the only highlight was her blush. Now moving on to lipstick, I'll be using these two red colors. One is orangey red and one is little or on a blue tone red. So I'll be mixing both the shades to achieve that proper red look. I'll put on highlighter off camera. And here is the finished look, guys. Show some love by sharing and liking. Bye-bye.